Guys, it is KM here. As you can tell, I just barely woke up. I gotta admit, I wear boys' pajamas when I go to sleep. Dun dun dun! Anyway, today I'm planning on playing Skyrim or Minecraft. Half and half. Let's set this up. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading.
Shut up.
Wait, but I'm recording. I have to.
No, shut up. You're annoying.
I'm not annoying.
You're annoying.
I'm not annoying.
Hell, shut up before I throw this oatmeal in your face.
No, I hate oatmeal. The bad dots was me and my sister. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I did. I can't jump. Oh. Better. I did Utah. Ha ha. Oh, Daddy, let me get this black. Let me get this black. Oh, you can.
Who's here?
I have no idea. How should I know, Daddy?
Right now.
Huh?
I look ugly right now. Nobody could be here.
I want to get this thing. Yes. Yes, I got 4 blocks. Have a showies.
Shut up.
Shh. Please use. Then. See? Already made sword. I'm so proud. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get onto this. Bam. See how cool I am. Welcome to Minecraft.
Do you only have survival mode?
Yes.
Why not creative?
Because this is only a demo of Minecraft. Not the full games. See how weird my sister is. She don't know anything about Minecraft.
Yes, I do.
Really? So, I'm so surprised. My princess. No, my horsey. The
paradigm is like. Look, I didn't even wipe that on my bed. You know, do I look like an ogre?
Woohoo! This is hard to tame. Yay, it loves me.
How do you tame a horse?
First you press. I forgot. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get this on. Oh yes. First off, Rochelle, you ain't cool, alright?
Cooler than you.
Shut up, you're still not cool.
Cooler than you.
Cooler. So much cooler. Huh, guys? Just trying to find some food. Wait, where's my horse? Dang, this is always running off, huh? Right here, I think. There's some food. Like, you know, when I get hungry. What the heck is this? An egg? Spawn wolf? Awesome. That's mean I could tame a wolf, right? Right, Rochelle?
If you have a bone.
I have a bone. Hold up. Let's get this. Wait. I need to get my bones first.
Give it some chicken.
Why?
So it can make babies.
Tame. Tame. Yay! Hey! Yes! Fummies.
Now where's your horse?
Well, it just ditched me. This is my horse. Where?
Over there.
Where?
Not over here, opposite way around. Yeah, over there. It's over there. Well, it was over there.
Oh, this sounds cool. Is this a diamond? Ah! I sneeze.
Can you ride a pig?
Yes.
Do it.
I don't want to.
Okay.
I know. But I don't have a saddle. The saddle's gone, so you have to understand that. Ah! Wolfie? Oh, hold up. Great, I got stuck. That's just great.
Who got stuck?
I did. I'm stuck right here. It's not letting me through.
Just keep doing that.
I know. Okay, let's take a break of Minecraft. And let's play Skyrim. Yes. Hurry up, son. Today, I am going to bug all the villagers to attack me. Yay. Is that great, Rochelle? Is that great? No, yeah, it is. It's great. It's great. Boo you. Now let's just play. Ow!
My toe's black.
Why is it black? Yeah. Oh, it takes forever to load. To load. Dun, 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 dun. Pew. 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 And this is what I'm going to do. Okay, first items. Items, weapons. This.
Very often. What can I say? Of course you don't. God might help! I'm attacked!
Yes!
I submit!
I died. That's it. End of video. I died. Thanks. Let's meet my pet Chihuahua kitty.
Don't show me though.
Me can find kitty. Let's go outside. Da, da, da. Peace. This was KM here. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.